Hi, welcome to Wanies Academy. Our topic today is negative powers, and what we aim to achieve at the end of this lesson is to introduce you to the concept of negative indices, that is powers, and understand the meaning and apply these rules of indices when simplifying expression involving negative powers. So our objective for today is that by the end of this lesson, you will define and explain the meaning of negative powers. 2, convert expressions with negative powers to their positive fractional forms. 3, simplify expressions involving negative indices. And lastly, apply the laws of indices involving negative powers. Next is the content. Negative powers. Meaning of negative powers. A negative power or negative index means the reciprocal of the base raised to the corresponding positive power. And the general rule is A raised to power negative n is equal to 1 over A raised to power positive n. By extension, we can have it as open bracket A over B raised to power negative n. We can rewrite this as the reciprocal of A over B is as good as B over A. And we have the positive power of n back, raised to power n, raised to power n. We take note that when the power is negative, the reciprocal takes a positive power. Next is example 1. Simplify 3 raised to power negative 2. 3 raised to power negative 2. This is equal to 1 over 3 raised to power positive 2. With this, we can have it as 1 over 3 raised to power 2 is 9. Therefore, 3 raised to power negative 2 is as good as 1 over 9. Next is we go to example 2. Example 2 says 3 over 5, 3 over 5 raised to power negative 3. With this, we find the reciprocal of 3 over 5, which makes, into brackets, 5 over 3. And the power comes back as positive, which is raised to power 3 here and raised to power 3 with the denominator. With this, we can have it as 5 raised to power 3 is 125 over 3 raised to power 3 is 27. We can simplify this to be 4 whole number 17 over 27. So with this, we've been able to simplify 3 over 5 raised to power negative 3 as 4 whole number 117 over 27. We go to the third example, which is simplify 1 whole number 1 over 2 raised to power negative 2. We can have a reciprocal here except we express in an improper fraction. 1 number 1 over 2 to improper fraction is as good as 3 over 2 raised to power negative 2. Now, the reciprocal of that will be 2 over 3, which now takes the positive power of 2 to the numerator, 2 to the denominator. 2 raised to the power 2 is 4, over 3 raised to the power 3 is 9. Therefore, one number 1 over 2 raised to the power negative 2 is equal to 4 over 9. Lastly, for today's class, we want to simplify 2 over 5 raised to the power negative 4. We therefore say that the reciprocal of 2 over 5 is 5 over 2 to the power of 4 to the power of positive 4. This equals to 5 raised to the power 4 is 625. 625 divided by 2 raised to the power 4 is 16. And we can express this as 39 whole number 1 over 16. With this, we've been able to simplify 2 over 5 raised to the power negative 4 as 39 whole number 1 over 16. We hope you enjoyed this video and make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel. Have a good rest of your day.